We walk the narrow path beneath the smoking skies. Sometimes barely tell the difference between darkness and light. Do we have faith? In what we believe. The truest test is when we cannot see. In the pounded feet, in the streets below, and a window breaks, and a woman falls. There's something wrong. It's hard to believe that love will prevail. It won't rain all the time. The sky won't fall forever. And though the night seems long, your tears won't fall. Your tears won't fall. Your tears won't fall forever. Last night I had a dream. You came to my room. You took me into your arms, whispering and kissing me and telling me to still believe. In the emptiness of the seas against which we sit our darkest, till I felt safe and warm. I fell asleep in your arms, and when I awoke, I cried again, for you were gone. Can you hear? Oh, when I'm lonely, I lie awake at night, and I wish you were here. I miss you in the pounded feet, in the streets below, and a window breaks.